right there, right there. Mad Marie, the girl is scarred from a million wars. The one she won. The one she won. Home is filled with souvenirs. She keeps in the dresser drawer. You say it's for the best. I say, put it to rest. At least we both agree upon one thing. Both agree upon one thing. Let me tell you all about it. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with Mad Marie. She squeezed me, she pleased me. I'm in love with Mad Marie. Mad Marie, you're so malicious. I ain't wrong, so funny, and I can't be wrong. Look at your heart, establish my ground. Mad Marie, not 3 times if you want me. Not 3 times if you want me. Not 3 times if you want me to come down. Craving you at midnight, Mad Marie, or anytime at all. She wants a knight in armor to mend that broken heart when she comes to call it. That's why I call you. That's why I call you. Mad Marie, she pleased me, she teased me. Mad Marie, I'm in love with Mad Marie. She give a quarter from here to eternity. Girls at war, picking locks on forbidden doors. It's obvious to see, it's obvious to see. Yeah, this is truly another place to be. It's kind of aggravating the way you comb your hair. It's kind of infuriating the way you stand there. Mad Marie, I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with Mad Marie. She pleased me, she teased me. That's how it's gonna be. This is truly another place to be. Obvious to see. Mad Marie. It's not that we're gonna be together. It's not that we're gonna live forever. Girls at war, bidding dogs, with a spirit from a battle in her head.